I'm going to demonstrate using a email connector and how we can send out a attachment and a test email. Let me quickly share my screen and show the process that I have built out. So it's very simple. I have a start shape with no data. I have a message that says hello world, and I have an email connection configured here. I have it configured from my emails itself, from my Gmail account. It's just loading a quick minute. Yeah. So smtp.gmail.com. I'm using port 25. I have the TLS set. Then I have the username. So username, I've just used my email address here. And in the password, since my Gmail uses 2FA authentication, I have created from my account, I have created app password. I'm also going to demonstrate how we can see the app password. So we just need to go to our Gmail account, get into security, go into 2FA again, and when you scroll down here, you'll see something called app password. So we can use that app password to connect to Gmail. This is the one. So I have already configured that, and in my operation, I have set it to send. I've just provided my from email to which email address I'm sending out, what is the subject, and the disposition as the attachment. So ideally, whatever is sent out in this message shape will go as an attachment. I'm going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to test it. So it is successful here. Now I'm just going to refresh. So I've already received that email and it's come as a .dat file. When I view it, it will be hello world and the subject is test. So everything as per what I have configured. Thank you.